Hi there. This is Quinns, focusing on giving users informative solutions on unlocking any smart devices for legal use. The topic today is how to unlock iPhone without computer. So, after taking out the iPhone from pocket, you intend to open iPhone and it's asking for a lock screen passcode to unlock, but you don't remember. It will happen to all of us. Generally, putting iPhone into recovery mode and using a computer is a workable way to unlock the forgotten passcode. As you come here, I guess you might fail to unlock iPhone with a computer for some reason. Whether the computer has problems in restoring the iPhone or you don't have a computer to unlock iPhone, you can skip the frustrating phase. There are other optional ways to unlock iPhone passcode without computer. They allow you to bypass the passcode and regain access to iPhone using the locked device only, a browser or another Apple device instead of a computer. Alright, keep watching and you'll get step-by-step instructions to unlock an iPhone without a computer with the alternative techniques. If any solution here helps, make sure to subscribe to Quinns, and that will be a big support to us. Option 1. Awake the Erase iPhone button. Since the release of iOS 15.2, there is an Erase Device option at the lock screen, easing the way to erase the device to unlock if the passcode is forgotten by one click on the display. Many users might ignore this feature, because it's not showing up apparently. If you haven't tried it yet, follow these steps to unlock iPhone without using a computer. Enter the passcode and let it run at least 7 times in a row until the erase option appears. Depending on your iPhone model, the option and the buttons will have different names. In iOS later than 15.2 but earlier than 17, it's called Erase iPhone. In this case, tap Erase iPhone again, enter the correct Apple ID password and confirm to erase. In iOS 17 or later, it's called Forgot Passcode. In this case, tap Forgot Passcode, tap Start iPhone Reset, enter the correct Apple ID password and tap Erase iPhone. The whole unlocking process will be finished in a few minutes without needing a computer. After the lock screen has been reset, set up the iPhone as you wish. Option 2. Open a browser to unlock iPhone without computer. If you've registered the iPhone with an Apple ID account, you're in luck. You can use the Apple ID to log into iCloud and use the Find My feature there to reset access to your iPhone. The whole process can be done simply through a browser, so you can unlock iPhone without needing a computer. Keep in mind that this unlocking way only works if you've turned on Find My on your locked iPhone. If you are not sure about that, just follow these steps to try first. Open any browser on any device like tablet, navigate to iCloud.com. Use the Apple ID account of a locked iPhone to log in iCloud. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll also be asked to enter the 6-digit code. After you finish the login step, browse through the iCloud page to find and choose Find My. It'll then show you a list of devices that are linked to this Apple ID and with Find My on. If your device isn't on the list, go back to the first method to unlock a locked iPhone without a computer. If it's there, go and choose your iPhone, select Erase this device, select Erase button and let the erase process begin. Super easy, right? Within seconds, it'll trigger the erase process on your locked iPhone remotely, where you should see it display an Apple logo and progress bar. Option 3. Find another Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID. As the method name indicates, the process here needs to be done in your another Apple device that's linked to the locked iPhone's Apple ID. Be it another iPhone, iPad or iPod. If the locked iPhone is the only Apple device you have, try the previous 2 methods. If you do have Apple devices, make sure it can be accessed and follow these steps to unlock disabled or unavailable iPhone without computer. On another Apple device, launch the Find My app. Usually, you'll be in the login status and see your devices showing up in a map. If not, just sign in with the Apple ID you used to sign in the locked iPhone. Once entered, make sure you're currently in the Devices tab, which can be seen at the bottom. Tap your locked iPhone, scroll down and choose Erase this device, tap Erase button, enter password and you're good to go. The erase will begin within seconds to unlock iPhone without relying on a computer. When the device reboots and shows hello screen, it means the erase process is finished. That's all for how to unlock an iPhone without a passcode or computer. If you have any questions about the problem, drop a comment below. If this video saves you out, tell us which method helps, and we'll appreciate that you can give this video a like and subscribe to Quinns channel. See you in the next video.